welcome back to week 4 of the Haole vlog. We're gonna start this week off by looking for murals around Honolulu.
I won't wait this time. No, not now, not again, not much longer. Heavyweight words, my mind all night. It's so hard not to ponder. Let's make it last forever, 'cause the night's still young. It's true, I feel the pressure every time you're gone. As long as we're together, this moment lasts forever. As long as we're together, this moment lasts forever.
So Bree thinks I need a haircut. I think it looks pretty dang good. Bree's never cut hair before. I mean, she says she has, but
I cut my own.
I don't think she's ever. No, she doesn't know.
Look, when I cut my hair, I go like this. I take a chunk and I just go.
Okay, well, let's see how this goes.
Buddy.
This is gonna be interesting. We're too poor to for me to go get a real haircut. Oh God! If you can't tell, we're using Betty Crocker kitchen scissors.
This is correct. I wrote down in my first grade journal that I wanted to be a haircutterer.
In case you're wondering, no, I do not highlight my hair. It's natural. Oh, that's good technique. It's really coming along. I might be wearing a hat for a couple weeks.
This is what I did. It's a little crazy back here. Oh, because it's got a lot of bald spots. It looks really crazy.
Well, I would give this haircut a 4 out of 10.
Hey!
But yeah, thanks for watching the first haircut by Bree. There probably won't be any more, so.
Yes, I will. We're going to the beach today.
So it's been pretty rainy the last few days, but it's finally nice out. So we're gonna go to Spitting Caves and do some cliff jumping. We were
We
too.
did not jump off because it was too high.
And some of our new buddies that we just met, they actually jumped off. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next week for episode 5.